Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a project in your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a project in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business with various projects going on, Basecamp is a popular way to organize those different projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a new project, you're going to click on this green button right here, make a new project. Okay, next this screen is going to pop up. So Basecamp's going to walk you through step by step on setting up a project inside your Basecamp. So first, what you want to do is go ahead and name this project. The example they have here is office renovation. So for example, if you're some sort of a contractor, you're going to have the office renovation project going on at 123 Main Street, and you might have another project going on at a church in downtown. So go ahead and just name it right here. For me, I'm going to go ahead and name this as YouTube thumbnail update. And then here you can go ahead and add a description. That way, when you invite team members in, they're going to see what this project is about. So let me go ahead and write this in. Okay, redo 1,000 thumbnails on YouTube channel manually with updated info. So this one particular project is to deal with my YouTube thumbnails, and I might have another project designing 20 pages for my website. Okay, next, Basecamp has various tools that you can use inside of each project. Some of them apply, some of them do not. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave message board, to-dos, docs and files, chat, and schedule. So this actually looks good to me. If you're not going to have any files that you're going to need to add into the project, you can go ahead and just turn each one off that you're not going to use. Okay, so if you have other people inside of your Basecamp, you can go ahead and make an invitation right here, and that way they can be invited directly into your project in Basecamp. For this account, it's just me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create this project. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and start working inside of your project. So right here, you can go ahead and add other users into your project. And then here are the cards that we added earlier. So here's the message board. So if we need to write a message, we can go ahead and click here and leave a new message for any new users. Okay, and here we can go ahead and make a list of things we need to do. Here you can go ahead and upload any kind of files that are related to this particular project. Here, if you need to schedule in any times with your clients or your coworkers or anything like that, you can go ahead and do that here. So let me go back to the home. Okay, and here at the top, you're going to see the new project listed right off here to the right. Now, once you've created this project, you can go ahead and view it like these cards, or you can go ahead and click right here and view it as a list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a project in Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.